Introducing the Comet Electric Combination Unit from EHC. This unit offers the comfort and convenience of wet central heating and hot water for properties which have no access to mains gas. To maximise space and minimise installation, the unit has been designed with top-entry pipework. This makes it ideal for a range of properties, as there are no flue requirements. The unit itself is housed in an elegant enclosure with an internal 140-litre Duplex stainless steel hot water cylinder. It's available in 9 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt or 14 kilowatt outputs. The internal plumbing is configured to an S-plan design to maximise hot water recovery, which also has an inbuilt magnetic filter for added protection, with pre-plumbed expansion vessels for both the heating and domestic hot water circuits. Among its design features, the unit has an inbuilt programmer, weather compensation, a tank cleansing feature to combat Legionella, as well as an optional solar DHW PV connection. The unit is also supplied with an external tundish and unvented control set, a fully programmable controller and wireless room thermostat, allowing it to provide complete control of the central heating and domestic hot water. These features also enable you to set times to suit your lifestyle requirements, and for ease of installation, the boiler is supplied with a fully configured wireless thermostat that can be wall-mounted or freestanding. The Comet Electric Combination Unit comes with a 2-year boiler guarantee, stainless steel cylinder 10-year guarantee, a pre-configured wireless thermostat, weather compensation sensor, external tundish, 3-bar inlet control set and a filling loop, which means that the Comet Electric Combination Unit gives you complete peace of mind with a truly modern heating experience. For more information, visit electric-heatingcompany.co.uk.